Welcome back now, you hear?
What is this we have here? Oh my goodness. This looks like more work to me. Yep. Definitely more work. Well, alright, good people. I just got a visit from Mark over there at Arkansas Woodcutter, and he came all the way out from down in Arkansas to drop off a few things. Some of these Italian daylilies, ditchweeds, valerian, delphiniums, echinacea, and some yarrow. I got some yarrow also. I need to get in the ground. And let's go take a look at the place I plan on putting that stuff, eh? Now, I noticed from my previous experiences with yarrow that it likes to be in a place that gets lots of sunshine. I've got a little area right here. See this pear tree. It's the driveway, pear tree. And I've got this area that's just grass, doesn't have anything growing in it at all right now. I think that would be a good spot to put something that loves some sunshine. So I'm going to put the yarrow in right in there. I need to do some measuring though, because we've got the property line there. That building there, this building, that's not mine. The limbs of the pear tree go over the line a bit, so I need to take a measurement and see where I'm going to put this stuff. Alright, right there is the eaves of the carport. Connects with the garage. The eaves of the carport, and they are just maybe about 2 feet away from the eaves of this building here. It used to be an old RV shop once upon a time. I believe where that wall is on that RV shop is actually the property line. They used to build right up to the line. It's against code. You're not supposed to do that. What I need to do is put down a peg and run a line. Make sure I'm not too far over. I don't want to make an established flower bed and it be in somebody's way and cause conflict later on. A wild area back there. What can go in there? Some bamboo, elderberries or something. Alright. Put in a couple of pins, shoot a line, and see where that gets us. Baling twine, 101 uses. I'm going to leave about 18 inches on the side here because I'm going to come along and put a little bit of gravel next to the driveway here to give me a little bit of extra space. So whenever I'm not paying attention pulling into the driveway, I don't run over something important. I can run over gravel instead. Alright, these are those Italian irises that Mark brought over. Wow, look at these plants. These are huge. That's 4 foot maybe? There's a big plant. So I haven't done anything with this area before. It's compacted and a little bit on the rocky side, but it's pretty nice chocolate brown dirt right there. I think it'll grow okay if we loosen it up some. Use that muddy water to make some mud puddles. Just going to put the sod over to the side. Alright, this one is from a nursery. It is a paprika yarrow. Achilleum milliforme. Paprika. Making these little mud puddles, once again, helps the roots of the plants make good contact with the soil. It gives them a better chance of surviving. Now I'm going to have good contact whenever I push that transplant in, and the mud just wells up out of the hole and around it. Good soil contact. So, echinacea, coneflower. Medicinal. The root is an immune system booster. And they're fairly attractive to pollinators as well. Some of these plants that we're putting in today primarily are just for the pollinators. There we go. And we'll save 3 of those, planting in another location. Now we've got the delphiniums. This is a larkspur. And interesting note about larkspur. The young plants like these are, and the seeds are poisonous. They'll cause convulsions, nausea, paralysis, and eventual death. They're pretty to look at, but don't eat them. I'm going to go ahead and bring the camera in before it gets rained on. We'll come back here in a little bit and get some mulch down around this area so the grass doesn't take over everything. And yeah, stay tuned, I'll be right back. Well, it's Wednesday, April 22nd. Looks like you're getting the bird bath filled up for free. Getting the truck washed for free. Getting the blueberries watered for free. But I'm not getting any work done. Alright, wasn't that a treat? Well, now it's time to get these things mulched in. So I've got some old paper bags that I've saved up. That'll work around the small stuff. And then we've got some cardboard for the larger areas. Let's go ahead and get this sheet down and then we'll top it off with some mulch. Alright, let me put the camera away before it gets wet. Thank you for your indulgence. Alright, well there we go. Driven in by the rain again, but it's in the evening. We're not going to have another opportunity to go out there and work on that new plot. I'm not going to be able to go out there and work on that new plot tonight, but tomorrow is another day. And this is going to be just regular, nice, soft rain, good soak, no high winds, no hail. we go. Okay, got everything planted, mulched in, obviously watered in, so this area is good to go. We'll keep our eyes on it for the next week or two and see how everything does, but other than the one plant getting damaged by that little hailstorm, I think it'll be alright. Hey everybody, before I go, there's one thing I wanted to show you. It's a seed head for a elephant trunk amaranth. See, when Arkansas Woodcutter was up here the other day, I had planned on giving him some of the seed from this plant so he could grow some of his own back in Arkansas. But we were having so much fun hanging out with each other that I completely and totally forgot. I get distracted easily. So, just going to knock some of these seeds out, get those ready, put it in an envelope, send them off so he can grow some of these. As always, if you found any part of this video informative or entertaining, please hit that like button. Don't forget to leave your comments down below. Subscribe to the channel, share this video, bang the notification bell for updates on future content. And good people, I will catch you next time. You know, the next door neighbor says he likes to watch me work. Guess he's not the only one, huh?